Here we are at Team Dynamics at the HandsOnMetrology tour.
Face-to-face events are really important for us. Seeing the technology firsthand is really the best way of demonstrating the value of the solutions to our customers and prospects.
The demo that I gave today was of the product called the Zeiss Tscan 20. That's a handheld laser scanner. It's got a high sort of dynamic range, so we can scan very shiny surfaces that are traditionally very difficult to scan, and we can also scan complete great range of surfaces. It's unique in that it doesn't need markers, so we can scan a large volume without markers and without having to have a portable arm to contend with.
What I've got in front of me is a Tscan Hawk, and we've got a valve casting that's being casted, and the reason we want to check it now is to make sure there's nothing skewed or distorted in the casting. So you would take this handheld scanner and scan it through, bring it into the GOM Inspect software just to make sure it's all validated before it goes off to the machine shop. So Tscan Hawk, within about 10 to 15 minutes, can characterize major problems of any castings, and that's a major plus for a lot of our clients and prospects.
The system I've got here demoing today is the ATOS Q. It's their kind of main range on the HandsOnMetrology group. It's a structured light scanner. It can scan the part in just a couple of seconds. We can get a full 3D model, and then with that 3D model using GOM Inspect software, we can then work in inspection, qualify that this part is what it's supposed to be, and maybe analyse if there is issues, what the issues are and where they could have come from.
So events such as this will be repeated so that we can show the technology, and the logical progression is just to take it closer to different people and potentially focus on different topics as well in the future.
What we're trying to do is to explain to customers that the solutions that we've got enable them to improve their processes. So that's what it's all about for us. What we supply isn't going to be the sort of make or break of what they're doing, but what we can actually do is really improve their workflow and their processes.
The benefit of the demos for companies is so that we can show all the engineering principles and show that we truly understand how the system works. Rather than just giving out numbers or figures, we can physically just show the product working as it would work, as they would want it to work.
The kind of clients we work with are in the automotive, the aerospace, so they're quite a diverse application in regards to what these scanners can tackle. So it's a good thing at central scanning that we can do anything and everything within reason.